Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making mutton potato biryani in smart cooker. On saute mode, oil 4 tablespoon, whole spices, chopped onion 1 cup. Saute for 2 minutes or until changes color. Green chilies 4, ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoon. If you don't watch how to make ginger garlic paste, please watch my videos. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Chopped tomato 1 cup. Mutton 1 kg. Salt as per taste. Red chilli powder 3 tablespoon. Mix everything. Curd half cup. Saute for 2 minutes. Water 1 cup. Cook mutton on pressure cooker mode. Mutton is tender. So soaked rice half kg. Mint. Coriander. Mix everything. Potato. Salt as per taste. Cook on biryani mode. Remove the pressure. Yummy mutton biryani is ready in 25 minutes. One pot recipe. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.